My name's Denley Rumble. I work for Vard Marine Inc. We've got 3 offices in North America, one in Gdansk, Poland, and one in Vietnam. I'm a project naval architect, and I'm also the lead NAPA user for Vard Marine Inc. And so we do predominantly work vessels, icebreakers, OSVs, SOVs, offshore patrol vessels, and wherever we can, we use NAPA as our tool of choice for modeling stability. For the day-to-day, we use it for all of our stability analysis, both intact and damage, and for damage for both deterministic and probabilistic. If you start to build your model with expecting a lot of changes in mind and you take the time to set it up parametrically initially, it becomes quite easy to iterate through different design options, both for the principal particulars and changing hull forms, but as well for the internal arrangement. So between iterating through different design options and as well as modeling complexities, we feel there's a lot of added value in NAPA that we can then pass on to our clients. Prior to NAPA, we view stability a bit more as a design check rather than using it as a design tool. And it allows us to provide information to the rest of the design team that we prior wouldn't have been able to do. And it allows us to get ahead of this traditional design spiral where we can look at the limits of design earlier in the analysis. We've been doing a lot of work recently with SOVs, predominantly for the offshore US wind market. And these are generally equipped with an articulated gang to allow ease of access from the vessel to the wind turbine and back. When we were doing these designs, we wanted to make sure that the vessel could stay on station operating for as long in a year as they could. So there's kind of this balance of competing variables that you have to manage as a designer, as we did in this project. And we're able to look inside the vessel and look at different subdivision arrangements that can help us satisfy the damage stability criteria. The tools that they develop for their users are very good. They address what our needs are quite concisely, and they also address what a regulatory authority, be it class societies or flag states, might need to view. They very much have a client-focused solution in mind, which of course as a client, you can certainly appreciate. NAPA's customer service is reasonably unparalleled. We can get a concise response overnight very quickly and really helps us keep the pace and the flow of a design going. NAPA allowing us to work more as a designer and less of somebody that's trying to force a program to do the things they want us to do. When we're doing these blank sheet novel designs, you may not know precisely from the get-go what the results might look like. So I see as our next step is to further refine exactly how we intend to use NAPA steel and how we can use, not only discover what's already there, but make potential recommendations on how we can continue to use the program and what we can take out of it, but also what we might need out of it in the future. A lot of the focus right now in Vard Marine is the continued development of NAPA steel for us as a design tool.